Okay, today let's talk about viral diseases. When I talk about viral diseases, I include HIV virus, we include the hepatitis B virus, we include the herpes simplex virus. And to begin with, let's look at the reasons why viruses poses a threat to health and well-being. Now, the first thing we have to take note of about viruses is that once you have been infected with a virus, it downplays on your immune system, meaning it breaks down your immune system. Now, one thing you have to understand about disease is that there are some diseases which are available in the atmosphere, but the reason why they don't have the access into your body or access into your system is due to the strength of your immune system. For example, let's talk about the disease tuberculosis. Now, the reason why every human being or many people don't suffer from tuberculosis is not because the organism is not available, it's just because the strength of the immune system is top notch. Now, once you are infected with the virus, the first thing the virus does is that it breaks down your immune system, making it open for any type of infections. That is why if you encounter someone with the someone suffering from the HIV virus or someone who has an HIV patient will tell you that this category of patients suffer from tuberculosis. Now, the next thing we have to take note of is that not all viruses, all viruses or majority of viruses are sexually transmitted, but not all viruses can be prevented with a condom. For example, let's talk about the herpes simplex virus. Now, the herpes simplex virus is a virus which is also deadly, and it's as signs and symptoms you experience sores on the mouth, sores on the tongue, and around the vagina and anal area. You notice some sores there and rashes also. And this is one of the viruses which can be transmitted without a condom or even with the use of a condom, because through kissing you can transmit it. As also we're talking about the hepatitis B virus, which can be transmitted through kissing or bodily fluids, depending on the viral load. Now, what am I trying to emphasize on in this video? Now, when we talk about viruses, not all viruses can be prevented, but some can be prevented. Example, the hepatitis B virus. And now, another thing you have to take note of about viruses is that, especially the sexually transmitted ones, if you must have intercourse, make sure you use the condom, as viruses breaks down the immune system, exposing your body to virus infections. Now, for the hepatitis B virus, it can be prevented through the hepatitis B vaccine, unlike the HIV, which doesn't have any vaccine of that sort. So make sure you stay safe and make sure you check up yourself regularly for the presence of any viral infection. And should in case you have a viral infection, don't get traumatized and stigmatized. Instead, I prefer you go to any hospital and sort out the treatment procedure as soon as possible. Thank you.